Hello guys. So in this video we will see that by using our BI dashboard module how users will be able to create and configure radar chart. Okay, so as you can see that this is a radar chart already made, and let me go to a quick customized view. Let me go to the full settings and show it to you, all the configuration part. So first of all, it is a title. So if you want to give any kind of the title or this chart name as per a requirement, you can give it. Here you will be able to select any model, that will be an account or leader opportunities, sales, project, inventory, manufacturing related model, as per a requirement. Now if you want to add this particular radar chart layout to a generic layout of the dashboard, then you have to enable this toggle icon. Now coming on to this relation information, as you can see that here view type is defined as radar chart. But if you want to select any another graph from this selection, you can select it. There are multiple graphs we have provided over here. Another thing is the operation type. Now basically there can be multiple kinds of there can be different kinds of the operation types you will be able to select. So by default count is enabled, but if you want to apply sum or average, then you can apply on this graph. Here record limit will be get defined, so this graph will be get displayed from how many records. So let's say I'm just giving over here 15, as you can see that. So it will be also get changed as per record limit. Now over here, if I want to add any kind of the custom filter, then this dynamic filter I will be able to add it over here. And I can also add multiple filters as well, all or any with all or any conditions. All right, here you can see that the group by operation. So I have grouped it by country wise. If you want to provide any subgroup by also, let's say a state code or something, so you can be also be able to apply it. Here sort by field. So if you want to sort any any state code or something, so you will be able to sort it by field. Over here you will be able to define order of this graph representation, that is ascending or descending, as you can see that. Now basically from the data from where this graph is displayed, so if you want to hide any zero or false value here on the graph, then you have to enable this toggle button here. Over here date filter field is defined. So basically if you want to define any kind of date filter, let's say today or this week, this month, this year, this quarter, this year, next quarter, next month, next year. So as per your requirement, you can also apply it. And this date related filter will be also varied based on whatever module we will select over here. Okay, now let's go with another configuration, that is design part. So over here from the design part, you will be able to set the data format, whatever the data representation is given, like English or Indian format, like that. If you want to set any graph color, then you can also set a graph color over here. You will be able to see that. If you want to define a label positions at a top or at a bottom, you will be also able to see that this label is coming here at bottom side. If you want to define it at as a right or at as a left, so you can define it. If you want to show a unit, then you can also enable it. Okay, then by default whatever currency is enabled, it will be going to be get defined over here. Okay, another thing is the data label. From here the data label selection you can do it. You will be able to enable or disable this data label. If you want to define any kind of border width, let's say 1 or 2 or something, you will be able to also define it. So graph label, if you want to enable or disable graph label, then you can also do that accordingly. As you can see that, make transparent. If you want to define this graph as a transparent, then you can do it. Over here layout text information, we have made a separate video for it. Please watch it out. In actions and auto update, how it is working, we have made separate videos for it, so please go and check it out our playlist. So thank you. That's it about this radar chart. Thank you so much for watching.